What if you could build a professional website without writing a single line of code and even use AI to speed up the entire process? That's exactly what we're going to explore in today's video with NicePage. NicePage is an all-in-one website builder that gives you complete creative freedom while making it easy to design modern, responsive websites. Whether you prefer working with the Windows or Mac desktop application, the online builder, or integrating directly with WordPress or Joomla, NicePage provides a flexible workflow for every type of user. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating your first project and designing pages with drag and drop editor to using AI-powered tools, customizing professional templates, exploring responsive and multilingual features, setting up an online store, and finally publishing or exporting your finished website. So let's jump into NicePage and get started. Now that we're inside the NicePage online builder, let's take a quick tour of the workspace before we begin creating our website. This is the sidebar where you can manage your website projects, organize pages, and access the tools needed throughout the website creation process. To create a new website, I need to click on New Site. Here, NicePage offers several ways to get started. You can build from blank page, generate a website using AI, work with wireframes, or choose from one of the many professionally designed templates available in the library. For now, I'll create a blank website so we can become familiar with the editor and explore its interface. Once the project is created, we're taken to the visual editor, where all website creation takes place. The editor is designed to provide simple and intuitive workflow. On the left, you'll find options for managing pages and website content, while on the top toolbar, we can provide quick access to commonly used editing tools. On the right, you'll find additional settings for customizing the selected page or element. By opening the navigation panel, we also can access to other areas of the project, including blog posts, products, templates, media, site fonts, and colors, and additional website settings. This makes it easy to organize and manage every part of the website from one place. One of the things I like about NicePage is its visual editing experience. As you build your website, every change is displayed instantly, allowing you to see exactly how your design looks in real time. Now that we've explored the workplace and become familiar with the interface, we're ready to start building our website. Now that we've explored the interface, let's start building our first page from scratch using NicePage's visual editor. Rather than using a complete website template, I'll build this page by adding individual content blocks. This gives me complete flexibility over the structure and design while keeping the entire creation process fast and intuitive. Every website begins with a strong first impression, so I'll start by adding a hero section. NicePage offers a wide collection of professionally designed blocks that can be inserted with just a few clicks and then fully customized to match any type of website. Once the block has been added, I can simply click on any element to edit it. I'll update the heading, replace description, customize the button, and change the image to better match the style of interior design website. One of the advantages of NicePage is that every change is displayed instantly. This allows me to experiment with different ideas while seeing exactly how the final page will look. Now I'll continue building the page by adding another content block. In this case, I'll insert a feature section to highlight the main services offered by the business. Just like the hero section, every element inside the block can be customized individually. I can edit the titles and descriptions, replace icons, and organize the content in a way that best fits to my project. Beyond editing the content itself, NicePage also gives me full control over the overall appearance of the page. I can adjust colors, spacing, alignment, and other layout settings to create a design that matches my own style. I'll also add an About section to introduce the studio and provide visitors with additional information. Just like before, I can update the text, replace images, and customize the layout without writing any code. Since NicePage uses a visual drag and drop editor, I can easily build and organize my page by combining different content blocks while maintaining complete creative control over the final design. Whether you're creating a landing page, a portfolio, or business website, the same workflow can be used to build unique layouts that match your own vision. As you can see, NicePage combines personally designed content blocks with a flexible visual editor, making it easy to build modern, fully customized web pages while keeping the entire design process simple and efficient. In the next section, we'll explore how NicePage's AI-powered tools can help generate website content and speed up the creation process even further. NicePage includes built-in AI features that can assist with generating website content, making it easier to create professional pages without starting from scratch. For example, instead of writing all the text myself, I can ask the AI to generate content for different sections of the website. I'll open the AI tool and enter a prompt describing the type of website I'd like to create. For this example, I'll create content for my interior design studio. After submitting the prompt, NicePage automatically generates text that I can use as a starting point. I can keep the generated content, edit it, or regenerate it until I am satisfied with the result. The AI-generated content integrates directly into the editor, allowing me to continue customizing the page without interrupting my workflow. While AI helps speed up the initial creation process, every element remains fully editable. I can still modify the text, images, layouts, colors, and other design settings exactly as I could with manually created content. These combinations of AI assistance and visual editing makes NicePage suitable for both beginners who want to build a website quickly and experienced designers looking to accelerate their workflow. Now let's explore one of NicePage's biggest strengths, its extensive template library. In addition to adding website from scratch, NicePage provides a large collection of professionally designed templates that can help speed up the design process. To browse the available templates, I'll open the template library. Here, templates are organized into different categories, making it easy to find design that matches the type of website you are creating, whether it's for a business, portfolio, restaurant, online store, blog, or many other industries. NicePage offers more than 50,000 professionally designed templates, giving users plenty of starting points for virtually any type of project. Once I find a template I like, I can preview it and select it as a foundation of my website. After choosing a template, every part of design remains fully customizable. I can replace images, edit text, modify colors, change layouts, and add new sections or remove existing ones while keeping the overall design that best fits my project. Templates provide an excellent starting point, especially when you want to launch a professional-looking website quickly without designing everything from scratch. In the next section, we'll look at how NicePage automatically creates responsive websites and supports multilingual content. NicePage supports multilingual websites, making it easy to create content for different audiences from a single project. From the language settings, I can add additional languages to my website and manage multiple language versions of the same project. Once a new language has been added, I can easily switch between languages and customize the content for each version independently. This makes it simple to localize your website while maintaining a consistent design across every language. Another important feature is NicePage's built-in responsive design. As you build your website, NicePage automatically adapts the layout for different screen sizes, helping ensure a consistent experience across desktops, tables, and mobile devices. To preview the website, I can quickly switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views directly inside the editor. This allows me to review how each section appears on different devices and make adjustments whenever necessary. If needed, I can fine-tune spacing, alignment, or other layout settings for specific screen sizes while maintaining the overall design of the website. By combining multilingual support with automatic responsiveness, NicePage makes it easy to build a professional website that is accessible to users across different devices and regions. Now let's explore NicePage's built-in e-commerce capabilities. In addition to creating standard websites, NicePage also allows you to build fully functional online stores, making it a great solution for businesses that want to sell products online. To get started, in a created store page, I can add products to my website. Each product can include important information such as the product name, description, images, pricing, and other details, making it easy to create a professional online catalog. NicePage also provides tools to organize products into categories and manage your store's content, helping keep everything structured as your product collection grows. Once products have been added, they can be displayed using professionally designed layouts that integrate seamlessly with the rest of the website. This allows you to build an attractive shopping experience while maintaining the same design style across every page. Whether you're creating a small online shop or a larger e-commerce website, NicePage provides the essential tools needed to build and manage your online store. Now that the website is complete, let's look at the different publishing and export options available in NicePage. Once you're satisfied with your project, NicePage provides several ways to publish or export your website depending on your preferred workflow. For WordPress users, websites can be exported directly to WordPress, allowing you to continue managing your content within the existing WordPress installation. If you're using Joomla, NicePage also supports exporting websites to Joomla, making it easy to integrate your design into a Joomla-powered website. For users who prefer complete flexibility, NicePage also allows you to export your website as standard HTML files. This is a great option for deploying your website on virtually any web hosting provider. In addition to export options, NicePage also offers its own hosting solutions. This allows you to publish your websites directly from NicePage without needing to configure external hosting or install additional software. These publishing options provide the flexibility to choose the workflow that the best fits your project, whether you're working with CMS, static HTML, or NicePage hosting. That brings us to the end of this NicePage tutorial. Throughout this video, we've explored how to build a website from scratch using NicePage's visual drag-and-drop editor. We created a custom page, explored AI-powered content generation, browsed and customized templates, learned about multilingual support and responsive design, built a simple online store, and looked at the available publishing export options. As you have seen, NicePage offers a flexible website building experience that can be used for personal projects, business websites, portfolios, blogs, landing pages, and e-commerce stores. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy way to create your first website or an experienced designer who wants more control over the design process, NicePage provides a powerful set of tools that help simplify website creation without requiring coding knowledge. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has given you a clear overview of what NicePage has to offer. See you in next tutorials.